like some light-skinned fella in the mirror. You know how it is. One of my brothers real light-skinned. He stayed in the mirror. I mean, he was in the mirror. He was
trying to say light-skinned men stay in the mirror all the time.
I'm not saying that. Would y'all say that?
That's not, that ain't true.
I was just saying, man, I'm not saying that. Are y'all saying that? I'm just saying. Look, there's many times, the only thing I can go by is what happened when I grew up.
You talking about your brother?
That's the only thing I'm saying. I can't speak for nobody else.
Get you talking about him.
Well,
I'm telling you, was talking about him in the video.
Telling the truth, was like some light-skinned dude in the mirror. So it did, well, you know, it happened. That happened with
Pretty boy.
Pretty boy. That's what I'm saying. It throws me back. It throws me back to when, well, it throws me back to the gentleman we were talking about with tube socks, or if it was that, you either had a jerry curl or you had tube socks. Tube socks.
Afro.
Well, no, tube socks. What did you do? Tube socks. You played sports. Jerry curl. You was a ladies' man. No, just saying. You was a ladies' man.
If you ain't had that quote unquote good hair, you gonna get you some good hair.
I'm gonna buy me some good hair. I don't care if I got to mess up all the mama couches.
with the Jerry curl juice.
Yep, that's exactly. That's what it was. Sit there, it's 240 degrees outside. Stuff is just combusting into fire, and the person. What? So
that's the Jerry curl juice.
You missed the spot. It's more juicy over here than over there. That's dry. So, no, I'm just saying, guys, come on, have a sense of humor. You know what it was. You was there. If you was in the 80s, you knew exactly what was going down. Be there. Be there. Whoa! That's what it is. Guys, listen, I got a very busy day ahead of me.
You always have a busy day.
No, I got a very busy day ahead of me. No, I ate my food, Donna. Donna, give me a kiss. Some of my grits went down the wrong way. But listen, I got
something to drink.
I have a very, very busy day ahead of me. Some things I got to take. You know what, guys? I'm going to spend the day with Miss Donna, and we're going to be intentional. I'm going to just hang out with her, and here is my #1 rule. One rule I have today, and that rule is, okay, I'm not going to get upset.
You're not going to get upset?
I'm not going to get upset today. And I'm going to be real patient.
You're gonna drive like somebody with some sense?
I'm going to drive like somebody with some sense.
Nervous.
You're not going to be nervous, okay. And I'm going to be real patient, and I'm not going to get upset, and I'm going to enjoy your day.
Our day?
Our day.
Oh, that's so sweet.
So
you've intentionally planned all of that in your mind?
I intentionally planned that one thing in my mind.
Okay.
Yeah. It's one big thing. Sweet. It's one big thing. It's on one hand. What I'm saying is the things.
Oh, okay.
One hand.
Okay. Well, that sounds like a plan.
So, guys, that's what I'm going to do. So, today, I'm going to hang out with my wife, and I'm going to it's her day today, and you all are not going to harass me or bother me. Listen, I can't talk to y'all. I'm spending time with Miss Donna today.
We probably going to see them a little bit later on today.
I'm not. I'm going to stay with you, Miss Donna.
You silly. Y'all like my cup? One loved Nana. Not Nana. We're not Nana over here. We are Nana. Y'all heard my baby last week. Nana?
I'm Robert.
Nana. Y'all, I told you that's how they came about. First he started saying his Papa and then Warbud. So we had to make sure we were calling him Papa. And then we realized he trying to say my name. So he said Nana instead of Donna. Nana is coming out. That'll work. Nana, that's it. So y'all, he has that Nana down pat.
So even though he's too young, we flipped it on him. He don't know what's going on. So now he looking. But gosh, it was the most hilarious thing if you would have seen it. Because, okay, let me set the scene. So it's real quiet in the house. I'm in the kitchen minding my own business. All of a sudden, I hear my name. What? I'm like, but here's the funny thing about it.
That was me calling you.
No, he was mimicking his Nana. Because that's what she'll call me real fast. So, and I said, did that boy just call my name? Mama! And so, we're trying to figure this out. So, he starts calling me, you know, Mama! And so, very intuitive look
with a W.
Yeah, so, yeah, what? So he says, so I said, no, Papa. And he looked at me, I said, Papa. He said, Papa, Robert? No, Papa. So it's like, no, I already see which way this is going. So when he got to Donna, and was saying Nana, and we started going with Nana, he looked like, man, y'all confusing me. So if everybody's saying it, I'll go with it. Nana, that's what it is. So that's what we are.
And it's perfect because, of course, with my name being spelled D-O-N-N-A, most people do read this and say Nana, but it's Nana, Donna, and it's just perfect because it's the end of my name. I love it. So, you know, you guys already know where this came from, right?
Where it come from?
My toot bought it.
Oh, okay.
She was like, Ma, I couldn't resist. When she saw Nana on there, oh, she said she couldn't resist. You guys, look, real quick. We can hit it and quit it. Thank you guys so much on our last episode, Saturday episode, where we were referencing some of the ugly comments that we received.
New family members.
Thank y'all so much for your support. We love you guys. One of my favorite comments was one of the family members. Y'all know
y'all was showing out.
You know how we come on and say, hey.
Well, y'all was showing out.
We come on and say, hey, everybody. Lord, the family members said, bye, everybody. So for all y'all that's got something to say, bye, everybody.
Boy, let me tell you something.
Oh my goodness, y'all!
You people are hilarious, boy. Y'all
when I
some funny
tell
people.
you, I bust out laughing for real.
And not only hilarious, but y'all quick on your feet. Well, y'all are quick on your feet.
So that's all. You good? Cause that's all I want to say about the Hannah. Cause we're not addressing all of them anymore.
We just saying, I love you guys. I'm serious.
I love y'all.
But just keep it. But keep it in what you call, babe. The family is growing. So as we're growing, new family members come along and they have to learn us. So we get it. If you run into, hey, by the way, running into some of y'all are just, oh man.
What was her name?
Hold on. I wanted to remember who you were, so I kept. So I'm out to eat, right? Minding my own business, and so this.
Well, you went to pick up food then, cause I wasn't with you.
Yeah, I went to KW. That's another place.
That's where he stayed with all the senior citizens.
That's another place where the seniors just hang out at. It's like a class, an unofficial class reunion. All of them are there together. So I'm going through and I'm sitting in line. So I wanted to go at the end of the day. I didn't want to go with nobody. I don't want to fight. Look, it's like WWE or WWF, whatever wrestling they have. Look, they will hit you with that cane, walk and whoop your tail in line. Man, give me some Jello. I'm saying. I'm minding my own business.
You got to find who it is.
So I'm sitting here. Okay, so I'm sitting there looking, and this lady's just looking at me. This young senior citizen, she's looking at me, and I'm like, okay, and I put my head down. I didn't have my mask, and so I'm sitting here. I couldn't hide. And she says, I know you. I said, no, you don't. She said, I do know you. No, you don't, man. She said, you that dude? No, I'm not. She said, yes, you are. I know who you are. I said, okay, you got me. I said, you got me. So I'm sitting down and I'm getting my food, going through the line. Not sitting down, but going through the line. And so I meet a lovely senior by the name of Miss Rosalind. And so Miss Rosalind and me and her, we just talk and say, I can't remember everybody's name, so I want to be able to. Can I take a video with you real quick with my phone so I can let Miss Donna see? Because y'all seem to run into me, not Miss Donna.
No, I run into him every now and again.
Well, I run into him every again and now. So my problem is, I'm looking at so I'm saying to Miss Rosalind, and so she says, I know who you are because I watch you real closely. And she started, it's like she was ready for her test. She hit me off with all kind of things that I know she was paying attention. I was like, yeah, she knows it's me.
You know, she a real family member.
It's me.
She play.
Miss Rosalind, you got me. So it was me. So I'll talk with Miss Rosalind. So I want to say to Miss Rosalind, I appreciate me. It was really a joy. And her sister name was Marilyn, that's right, Miss Marilyn. So Miss Rosalind and Marilyn. And matter of fact, Miss Marilyn and us, I don't know if we went to the same church at once. Rather large church. So nevertheless, Miss Rosalind and Miss Marilyn. So I was there, guys, and so I asked like Miss Rosalind was like 115 questions, and she was like off the dome. Bam, bam, bam. What's Miss Donna's favorite color? Green. Bam. How tall is Miss Donna? 5'3". Bam. I was like, dang. I gotta go, guys. So that's what she was like. Bam, bam, bam. I was like, Miss Rosalind, if you get this right here, I promise you, I'll buy your lunch right now. The square root of 9 by 3 2 is what? She said, Miss Donna's cakes. I said, bam.
You are silly. But thank you, ladies, so much for supporting our channel. I hate I didn't get to meet them.
It was a joy. So it's a joy for me. So guys, if you finds out that if it's one of those things that I'm around you notice me and I don't know and I deny me.
Trying to act like you're not you.
If I deny me, I'm not trying to be funny. I'm saying if you really know us or if you know you've seen us. But the moment they start looking like, it's almost like they're looking around the corner. I'm like, yo, thank. So,
Baby, we gotta come on. We gotta get out of here.
oh, we gotta go, people. We gotta go. It's been a good day. I love you guys and looking forward to seeing you guys get Miss Roslyn. Keep it up, Miss. Don't tell them where we met at, Miss Roslyn.
You already told them.
Where was I at?
KW.
Come on, Miss Roslyn kept the secret and I let it out. What with Moses? But nevertheless, guys, love you guys. We gotta go.
We love y'all.
I have
You
an
guys-
intentional day with Miss Donna, and y'all cannot come.
Wait a minute. Guess what I've been doing intentionally, you guys? I started walking last week. I walked Monday through Friday, you guys. Monday through Thursday, I did 2.5 miles, and then Friday, I decided to bump it up a notch and did 3 miles. Yay!
And look at it, she gonna look at me and start looking at my body. So guys, this one I'm finna start doing.
You need to
I'm
quit.
finna bulk up, guys. So if y'all begin to see the swell come on, it's because I'm drinking more water, purify the system, tighten up the all that excess, and then guys, you're gonna find out I'm a bulk up.
Oh, for real, baby?
I'm a girl. Look, touch my body, touch the chest. I'm gonna touch the chest. Touch it.
You silly. So we have to start somewhere. So yeah, I get out there early in the morning before it gets too hot. I mean, before it gets hot at all. When I say early, I mean like soon as that sun peeks through and it's not dark out there. Y'all don't be out there walking in the dark. Don't listen. Don't be out there walking in the dark. So as soon as that sun peeks up or the daylight comes, then I'm out there hitting the pavement. So.
And I want you guys to know I'm gonna be serious and intentional about my workout. Now let me tell you this in close. Let me say this. I'm not gonna show y'all my body because that's Miss Donna's body, but I'm gonna get a picture of a guy's body that's look just like mine.
Kind of like yours.
Yeah, and I'm gonna let y'all see his body, but my body look the same, so you'll be looking at him, but I have the identical same body. So I'm gonna check the magazines, see the good
See what
picture,
you come up with.
see which one that got a body like mine, a nice body, and so I'm gonna let them see his body.
What's the song you used to sing in church about my body? My body.
My body belongs to
God.
my body.
My body belongs to God.
My body.
My body belongs to God.
Woo!
My whole body belongs to God.
Y'all can't see, y'all can't see my whole body. Y'all can't see, y'all
Can't see
me.
his whole body.
Y'all can't see
Can't see his whole body.
because my whole body belongs to Donna. Yeah.
We got to go, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so.
Hit the
You
nosy.
do turn on that notification bell. That's that hit the nosy, and when it does, it shakes, and that's that shake something. Shake something. Shake something. Shake something.
My chest gonna be like that, guys. I'm gonna just do like this, and it's gonna make
It's gonna be bouncing.
Yeah, Donna gonna be like, ooh.
We already look forward to you joining us again next time.
Bye. When y'all see it, say that's how our body looks.